Embellishing with waxes. Create more character and detail on your painted furniture by layering on colored Jolie Finishing Waxes and Jolie Gilding Waxes. Before you start embellishing, make sure you apply clear finishing wax to your entire painted piece for more control. To use colored finishing waxes, use a different wax brush than what you had used for the clear and apply a small amount of brown or black finishing wax to your piece, working in small sections at a time. If you are working over a lighter color, we recommend applying brown wax in the recessed areas only. On darker or brighter colors, you may want to apply the colored wax all over. Remove the excess wax with a soft cloth. If your result is too dark, you can use a clean cloth and a small amount of clear wax to easily remove some of the colored wax. Jolie Gilding Wax is an easy way to give metallic highlights to carvings, appliques, or hardware. It can also be applied through a stencil or taped off area to create a pattern. For smaller areas, simply dip your fingertip into a jar of gilding wax and lightly apply it to the surface. For larger areas, use an artist brush. Dip the brush into the gilding wax jar and gently apply it to your surface. Add clear finishing wax to a cloth to remove gilding wax that is spread to areas where you don't want it. Let the wax dry overnight before adding additional coats or buffing. And that's it. You've successfully added colored wax and metallic accents. Be gentle with your piece for the first 2 weeks until the wax is fully cured and hardened. For more techniques, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website, www.joliehome.com. It's your life. Make it beautiful.